for joining us. The price for today Bitcoin is let's see, 31,000. I saw it at about 6 plus a.m. It's about 31 plus, and then ETH was 1994, something like that. Yeah, that's about 6:40, 6:44 timing, Singapore time, right?
Yeah.
So I hope you guys are catching on with the lows. Yeah. So I believe, like what we mentioned in the last one or two live streams, that the price of BTC, or rather the crypto market in general, they are probably going to take at least about 2 months, something like that, to see some good recovery. Because even right now, when you see what happened to coins like blockchains like Luna, they try to revive it, right? And then it backfired again. So, yeah, so now we are facing a season where a lot of uh, crypto enthusiasts and investors, they are questioning themselves or their projects. Yeah, so for all of you listeners who are looking at new things to invest, please read up on the information available that is behind this project, meaning the team that is running this project, what this project plans to do, and what they plan to do in future as well. Yeah, so it will help you make a better decision.
Yeah, that's right. And we see the green color like the sharing screen to you, and we may yeah. A lot of people say maybe it's a lion green. The network may recover. Okay, let's see how's the connection from my side or from the other side. Okay, let's carry on. Let me show you the 39.360. Yeah. Just now, Mr. Nicholas forget to turn on the microphone.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, now, yeah, I can hear you now. Okay, and now we also can see this here. Yeah. Okay, a lot of people thinking that it's maybe a liar green or is the market will react to try to respond with some positive information. Yes, now we want to share to you some of the positive information and what happening and what is the U.S. quantity tightening. And then let's start the live stream. We have just a few slides. Yeah. First thing I want to share you the Argentina
Oh,
Bitcoin.
Argentines. Yeah.
We hear Argentina is one of the country got big inflation. Also, yeah, they decide to turn into the Bitcoin because they worry about the inflation. Yeah, that's information from Argentina. Maybe the thing to let the Bitcoin and all the market react. Yeah, and have a good thing to you to see today when the market turns into 31,000 plus. Yeah, and then we also we have not only Argentina but also some of the America country in America, South America. They also will have like Mexico, Brazil, and some of the other country Latin America. They will adopt Bitcoin and some cryptocurrency. But in the other side of the world, I hear Mr. Nicholas share information to us about the air of CBC from Chinese, from Chinese
Yeah.
government. Yeah, could you
Hey,
share this?
first and foremost, as you all know, that CBDC is kind of like a upcoming trend, I would say. Uh, this China, they have started this CBDC project since like what, 3, 4, 5 years ago, something like that. Yeah. So they launched CBDC last year. Was it last year? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So basically, company called Meituan, Meituan Dianping, yeah, from I think they are based in Shenzhen, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so the city of Shenzhen is partnering with this company. So there's a little bit of information about this company. Is that when I read this information, I don't know who they are, so I Google on them. So I check on Crunchbase, I check on anywhere that has available information on this company. They are basically quite a big company, I would say. They have 17.3 billion in funding from these investors, and they have acquired quite a number of companies. I think they acquired 6 companies as well. Yeah, so they have investors in them that includes Tencent. We all know who Tencent is and what Tencent
Yeah,
do the best. Then we
yeah,
have GIC, Singapore. Then we have Sequoia.
yeah,
Sequoia is so they are basically almost everywhere. Yeah, so I guess you can say that Sequoia doesn't lack money. They invest in projects that usually are quite successful. So when you think along this line, you see this Meituan is should be some big big thing in China. Yeah. So China City, this Shenzhen, they try to stimulate the spending by airdropping 30 million digital yuan. I wouldn't say 30 million worth, but it's 30 million digital yuan. Yeah. So that's the information we have. Yeah. So uh, this company, let's look at the website. This company, where is my webpage? Ah, this company, if you look at their website, they are into, of course, they does social contribution. Then I think they are into restaurant as well, if I'm not wrong. So of course, mostly food delivery and stuff. They acquire Mobike, one of the world's largest bike shop. That's not a small thing. And then of course uh, they are very much into a lot of technology and delivery technology and travel leisure, B2B market launch of what hazelnut. So these are the things that they are very much involved in. And I think for a country this big and for a city this big. By the way, Shenzhen is very high tech city, very high tech city in the sense that they are very far ahead in terms of technology adoption, in terms of also electronic vehicle adoption as well. So I think almost all, or if not all of their public transport are run by electric vehicles rather than gas or diesel. Yeah, that's the kind of information that you can find on YouTube and various other sources. Yeah,
yeah,
so for them to partner with what you call it, for them to do this airdrop together with the city, I think it is telling us that the country is trying to lead the world into this kind of a society where digital currency CBDCs will be widely used. Yeah, so this is just a beginning. Yeah.
yeah. Let's see how's the how this mean economic war between the China and US and the other side of the world.